Okay, folks, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, folks. We are live. We are looking at test number 5. Okay, you have 10 minutes with this test. I'm going to go through this with my students. Which of the following decimals is equivalent to a half? Okay, so for those of you working it out, a half is the same as saying 1 divided by 2. So if you were to work that out, that will give you 0.5. Okay, so a half is 1 divided by 2, and you set it up in a bus-stop technique like that, and you get the answer. Okay, give me a second while I switch this off. Good. Next question. Leah's hair grows at a rate of 1.25 centimeters. Yes, Mahir?
How many I got wrong?
No, I'm going to go through the whole paper.
Oh.
Okay, just watch me as you go through, okay? Okay, Leah's hair grows at the rate of 1.25 centimeters a month, and she lets it grow for 4 months. So we're going to have 1.25, and we're going to multiply it by 4. So that'll give you 20. 8, that'll give you 10. So that'll give you 5.00 centimeters. So 1.25 times by 4. Question number 3. A screwdriver is measured against a centimeter ruler. How long is the screwdriver? For question number 3. So if I try to make my pencil a bit sharp and I bring it straight down here, and if you try to be a bit more accurate in reading it, it'll give you 10.8. I think my line might be slightly off. It's going to be on that line there.
I've got 10.7.
Okay, the answer is 10.8. I know it's something like, if you're not too accurate, you can probably read as 10.7. I'll let you have 10.7 for today. Okay.
I guess mine and I got it correct.
That's the.
What about 10.9?
10 point?
Sir?
It doesn't look like 10.9. You can either mistake it for 10.7 or you get it right at 10.8. It doesn't look like 10.9 at all.
I got 10.8.
D.
I guess mine and I got it correct.
Okay, well done. Just make sure when you go to the exam, you guess them all right there as well, and you'll be fine. Okay, next question. Question number 4. How many lines of symmetry does the shape have? Symmetry lines are lines which they're called fold lines. You fold the shape and it goes onto itself. So one half folds on the other half. So those lines of symmetry are here. That's number 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. Unos, dos, tres, cuatros. Okay, lovely. That's the first page done. Please make sure you mark those questions or any corrections that have been done. Question number 5. Some weights have been put on the set of measuring scales shown below. The scales do not balance. Which of the following could you add to the right-hand side to balance the scales? So let's work out the totals first of all. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 3, 6. 6 add 5 is 11, add 1 is 12. So that's 125 grams there. Okay, now these ones don't actually line up properly, so I'm just going to rewrite it over here because I don't like that the way they're not in columns. Okay, let's make sure 5, 20, 35, 35. Again, 5, 10, 15, 2, 5, 5, 8, and 1, 9. So we need to balance the scales. We have 125 here, and we have 95 over here. So if I want to make them equal, I need to add. Mahir, how much more do I add to this side to make it 125?
You add 30. No, not 30.
That's right.
Yeah.
30. Absolutely. 90 at 30 is 120. 95 at 30 is 125. So the answer is 30. So the answer will have to be D to make them both equal. Okay, next question. Okay, Martin thinks of a number. He adds 7. He then divides by 3. I hope you guys are writing this down if you got it wrong. His answer is 12. This is called a function machine. So we are converting the question into a function. Let's reverse now. Opposite divide by 3 is time by 3. Add 7 is minus 7. And that will give you the missing number. So that's Martin's number here. So Martin's number is here. This one. Okay, so 12 times by 3 will give you 36. 36 minus 7 will give you 29. And that's the answer.
No.
Yeah, not no, yes. Okay, next question.
Wait, can I quickly write that down?
You can quickly write down. How many pupils like swimming the best? So we're looking at this frequency diagram. We look at swimming. So this represents 5. This represents 4. So for number 7, we're gonna have, okay, I'm gonna look at, hang on a second. Not 4, sorry, that's 3. I've counted one of the lines twice. Okay, sorry folks, let me just quickly edit that. 5 at 3, that's better. So that gives us an answer of 8. Okay, so you got 5, which is with the line going across it, that's 5. And you have 3 separate ones, so that gives you 8 altogether. So what fraction of the class like reading the best? So we have 5 over here and 2. So 5 add 2 is equal to 7. Now we need to know how many children are in the class. In order for us to work out how many children in the class, we've got to work them all out. So we have 4, we have 5, 6, 7, we have 3, and we have 8. And we've got to add them up for question number 8, sorry. So if we add up all those numbers, we get an answer of 28, including the 7. So 7 out of 28 like reading. So we're looking at this number. Oops, it's gone too big. But let's use a smaller one. We're looking for this number out of this number. 7 out of the total. So 7 out of 28. So we write it like this. 7 out of 28.
Sir,
G.
can I go to the toilet?
You want to go to the toilet in the middle of the explanation? Did you get this question right or wrong?
I got it right.
Okay, then you can go to the toilet quickly then. Okay, so we divide this by 7. We divide this by 7. That gives you 1 over 4. So the answer is D. Why is the answer 1 over 4? Because we are cancelling the fraction down and it cancels by 7. And that's the end of question number 8. Okay. It says that Monica is putting together packets of fudge to sell at a school fair. Monica ties a ribbon around each packet. Each packet needs 20 centimeters of ribbon. Monica needs to make 100 packets. How many meters of ribbon will she need? So we have 20 times by 100. So we got 100 packets down by 20. Now this will give us an answer in centimeters because we started in centimeters. But we want to give the answer in meters. So we have to divide the final answer by 100. So it's 20 times by 100 divided by 100. So they will just cancel each other out. So you're left with 20 meters of ribbon for that one. That one's a kind of bit of a like you're doing a calculation, then you're undoing the calculation to get the answer. But this is how it is. Okay, question number 10. A cube of the fudge is shown on the right. What is the perimeter of one face of the cube? What is the perimeter? Okay, let's have a student come in now. Let's have, okay, Mahir. What does the word perimeter mean?
It means the outside of the shape.
Fantastic. It means the distance, to be more precise, it means the distance around the outside of the shape. Okay, so we're talking about how far it is around the distance. Okay, so we have 2.4, 2.4, 2.4 times by itself 4 times. The answer is 9.6. So if you follow the square around the outside like that, you would get basically 9.6 because each time you travel along the side, you're traveling along 2.4 centimeters. Okay, lovely. A point Q has been drawn on the grid. A line is drawn on the grid. Point Q sits on this line. Which of the following Which of the following pairs of coordinates could sit at either end of this line? Circle the correct option. For question number 11, the option is C. I will draw it for you. 1, 6, 5, 6. So if we were to draw a straight line, there you go. My line's a bit bendy. Okay, but it'll be basically, here's your straight line on there and the Q's on it. And that's why C is the answer. Question number 12. Point Q is moved 3 squares to the right and 4 squares down. 3 squares right. 1, 2, 3. 4 squares down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should get an answer of 5, 2. You always do the x coordinates first and the y coordinates afterwards. Okay, right. Okay, give me a second, folks, while I pause this video. That's the end of our video, please. I want everybody to work out the totals that they've got, and they can feed it back to me either using the chat or just give me verbally. But let me actually pause the recording